What's good, y'all? What's good, YouTube? Prior into my realm real quick, man. Look, hopefully y'all doing good today. It's a good day today. It's a very chill day today. Hopefully y'all taking care of yourself, man. I want the best for you. You feel me? You watching me, so I love you. I support you. You feel me? I want to lift you up. But now though, man, today I got a very different videos about journaling, and I just got so much veneration for journaling because it really cured my whole depression. It allowed me to get a sense of self, and it allowed me to get clarity. What do I actually want? Now, when we talk about journaling, we have to understand journaling and the right and wrong way to journal. And I'm here to tell you that there is no fucking right or wrong way to see. People always want to come up with a right or wrong. There is no right or wrong, bro. The definition of journaling is to write in a journal or diary. You can literally do, dear diary, Becky rejected me this, or I finally got Becky's number. I might call her in 2 minutes. Or you can do a wish list, manifestations. You can do as long as you're writing in a journal, you are journaling. But let's talk about exactly the effects, the benefits of journaling. I can only speak for myself when I say this, so you might have to try it yourself and see what you did. You see, I had a lot of trauma. I harbored a lot of resentment towards certain things, and I was just lost mentally confused. What I mean by mentally confused is I was lost in life. I didn't know what my purpose was. I didn't know what I wanted to do. My mind was just scattered all over the place, and I never had stillness, you feel me? I was never alone with my thoughts. I was never alone in society. Well, I ain't gonna say I was alone in society. I was alone in society, but I was never alone with myself. That's what I mean, yeah. I was never alone with myself, so I never thought deep thought, okay, well, what the hell do I want? What is best for me? What is my next move? And it all started doing basic training where there was no phones. There was no distractions. Either you or, you feel me, or you just sit. So you gotta, you feel me, you always moving. So when you get stillness, ain't no phone to distract you from your thoughts. So you just sitting down. And I had, pen and pad. And I just started writing. And with my pen and pad, literally I just started writing anything that came across my mind. It was actually Castro. He was the one who influenced me to even start writing in general. But I would just write whatever that came across my mind. And it started with me just listing different foods I wanted to eat once I graduated. Chicken, a sesame chicken, Philly cheesesteaks. I just wanted to just try different shit. And it eventually shifted from me just distracting myself with food to, all right, now what are my goals? So what goals am I trying to hit once I graduate? I'm trying to save up for a car. And then it went from food to goals to how I actually feel. Different traumas that I had to face in my past. How I felt emotionally when it came to different people and different situations. I'm still battling that to this day. I'm still emotionally attached to certain people I shouldn't be attached to. You dig? But that's just me being vulnerable. But it allowed me, I still got it. I still have, I still have, it's all fucked up, but I still have the journal I use. Literally, the first page, a lot of pages have been ripped out, but literally it says, now that I've completed BCT, I can 100% be proud of myself that I did something most are not willing to do, and something most cannot even physically do whilst remaining perfectly healthy. I'm beyond blessed to have made it this far, but there's more stages to go, more obstacles remaining. ... You feel me? But it just gives you clarity, and it's a release, it's a detox. Because a lot of the times we don't talk to ourselves, right? Even though all geniuses talk to themselves, we don't tend to talk to ourselves, right? I talk to myself all the time, but we don't tend to talk to ourselves and really understand how we feel. You feel me? So the best way is to write it down. Write how you feel on a piece of paper. Take the piece of paper, throw it away, release everything, and burn that motherfucker. Throw away that bitch, or just keep it. You dig? But the management of emotions is not taught. Planning is not taught. Handwriting is not taught. You see, we don't write no more. We fucking text on the phone and read off the phone, and you feel me? We just distract ourselves with electronics all day. You feel me? MacBook, video games, you feel me? Things of that nature. Oh, but let's get to the main point, man. How to actually journal. So, you can take a journal, right? I have multiple journals. I have 4. The reason I have 4 is because I get a new journal every chapter of life. Every new chapter of life I enter. Right now, I'm on a great one. Now, look, man. You take pen, pad, and you can either 1, just write what you're thinking. You can 2, make a list of goals. Number 3, you can write manifestations, affirmations. What I said in my latest journal, right? I said happiness is never long lasting, as the feeling of being happy is only an emotion, and as we know, emotions come and go. It's just about being at a state of peace and expressing gratitude. That was the last thing I wrote in the journal. That was maybe 3-4 days ago. But whenever I have a brilliant thought, whenever I have a goal, whenever I just feel like talking to myself, but I can't, I just write everything down. You know, I've manifestations that I wanted to do. Collab or just chop it up with Taekwondo. You feel me? I want to be healthy physically. I want to spend time with my people. I want to call Paul. You feel me? And I have everything listed down for, you feel me? Just on some jot, you feel me, type of time. My God, it's beautiful chaos. But look, man, here is what I gained from journaling, right? 1, it reduces my stress, reduces my anxiety. It lets me know that I still have control of whatever that's going on in my life. It gives me clarity. It allows me to release emotions. It allows me to put my mind on display, and secret display. It allows me to be able to have precise goals, right? Precise affirmations. Okay, I want to record. I want to at least make 3 videos a week if I can't do every day. Sometimes I'm gonna have to take a break every now and then so I can re-up my energy and then come back full hitting and things of that nature, bro. Cookbook, bro. It's a lot of things you can do with journaling. There is no right or wrong way. Literally, it's the best thing. It's just so hard to explain, but I just want to just tell this to y'all. Get a fucking notebook, get a journal, a diary, anything, and write, bro. Write your goals, write your thoughts, write how you feel, and just tell me how that works for you, bro. There's no need to make it a long video or try and dissect it down to a scientific, bro. It's not that deep, bro. But journaling is the best thing that ever happened to me. Being in solitude is the best thing that happened. At nighttime, listen to some jazz, some lo-fi, something smooth, and just write, bro. Or just go outside and hear the birds chirp and just write, bro. Anything that you wish to achieve. I'm Pariah. This video was beautiful chaos. Enjoy y'all day, bro. I'm fucking calm.